Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't buy the metal Cash App card. So as you know, Cash App has a card where you can spend your balance here, and you can basically order a free card. They'll send it to you in the mail, but they also have like upgradable options here. You can get glow in the dark for $5, or you can get these metal ones for $50. You can also tap on these, customize them, all of that stuff. But I don't advise getting the metal version simply because Cash App can close your account for any reason. So you could buy this $50 card, then they close your account, you can't use your account anymore, and you just wasted $50, and they're not going to do anything about it. They've done this to me before. Here's a graveyard of Cash App cards that I had. You know, I spent $5 on these glow in the dark ones, and they closed that account. They banned that account, and then I can't use that card anymore, so it's just wasted money. So that's why I would say don't spend the $50 to get the card. They can just close your account, and then the card won't work anymore. It would just be a hunk of metal. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.